I pray to God that He will help us get this house and she will have enough money so that we can buy the house.
I never would have thought that I would have been able to get a brand new home.
You'd be surprised how many individuals in the community don't have the availability or resources to find out what it is that employers are looking for.
A lot of the students that come into the program, they're having some challenges basically with reading. Reading skills, or they're struggling, having difficulty pronouncing words and reading at grade level.
We have clients that range from small children to our seniors. The clients that come through the Urban League door are varied. We have clients that earn less than $20,000 a year and they are below the federal poverty line. The main focus areas of the Urban League are housing, jobs, and education.
We have one individual, she's actually working for OU Health Science Center. They are so impressed with her. She's at work on time, which by on time she's early. She doesn't miss work. And they've had, on their own, they couldn't fill the position because people wouldn't even show up for the interview. Whereas this young lady has turned into a temporary position that was supposed to only last a week, into now they're interviewing her for the position that they've been trying to fill for months. I know for sure that she was absolutely prepared because of coming to the Urban League. They take the time to make all the steps to get ready to start a job and to keep a job and to hopefully one day get promoted.
Having limited income and being a single parent of two, it was a little difficult to get a loan or get lenders to loan me money to buy a home. So we went to the Urban League. I heard about their home buyers program through a friend of mine and kind of looked it up online. And I went there to get the home buyer education, and I was provided with lots of information about what I needed, what loan officers were looking for in people buying a home and things like that. You know, it's still kind of surreal. We were sitting in the backyard yesterday and it was like, wow, we have our own house. So it just, you know, it's really nice. It's a brand new home. I never would have thought that I would have been able to get a brand new home. So it's really surreal at times, like this is actually ours.
Well, I think the main accomplishments that the Urban League has done to transform the community is that we have built $12 million of affordable housing in Northeast Oklahoma City. And by doing that $12 million of affordable housing, 96 families have new affordable homes.
At the age that, you know, we are, it's better for the seniors. It's about the best senior living community I've seen on the east side.
I like to read and I like to say the word.
What helps you to read to know if you got a word correct or if you didn't get it correct? What's on screen for you?
The panda.
The panda bear. The panda is really, really nice. When we get a word wrong and we don't pronunciate it right, what will Panda do for us?
He will say it.
He'll say the word again so we get a chance to say it again. What's your favorite book on Reading Companion?
The Goodnight book.
What's your favorite part of the Goodnight book?
That he goes to sleep.
At the end of the book, he gets to go to what?
Sleep.
He gets to go to sleep. Have you had any books that were too difficult for you?
I think so.
Think so? And what were you able to do about it? Were you able to select another book, or did you like hearing the new words?
I like hearing the new words.
So even if it's too difficult, you can still get opportunity to listen and increase your vocabulary?
Yes.
All right. Way to go, Latasha.
We are really proud of our partners in Oklahoma City. They help us by bringing financial resources that we can leverage with our grants that we receive from public sources. Those dollars help every child that we see through the door increase their educational attainment. They help us in building affordable housing, and it helps us when we are trying to assist those that need jobs that are hardest to employ obtain jobs.
It's a one-stop source for just tons of information on how to rejoin the workforce.
We were sitting in the backyard yesterday and it was like, wow, we have our own house.
We've had 2 students I know for sure that went from a C level in reading to a B, and one that went from a C to an A.
The one thing I would like our community to know about the Urban League is that we do outstanding work with very few dollars. Most people think that we are funded through federal grants alone, but we need the support of everyone in our community, not just the corporate foundations, in which we appreciate, and our partners, but we need the help of every individual to make sure that everyone in our community is on a level playing field.